What's up guys, my name is Zach and I make videos about photography, camera gear, amateur videography, and vlogs. In today's video, I am reviewing the Ulanzi MT16 mini tripod. So far, not bad. Today we are out at Rockbridge State Park and I am walking some trails. I've got my GoPro on the tripod right now, as well as my camera in the bag. So I have a bit of an obsession with small tripods, and I have for the longest time been searching for the very best small vlogging tripod. Maybe I found it with this one, but I'm not quite sure yet. So let's take a look at the tripod. I'll show you some of the features. You can see what it looks like with the GoPro on there, and then you can determine if this is the tripod for you. Let's take a look. Today we are on the Devil's Icebox Trail in Columbia, Missouri, and behind me you can see the Big Rock Bridge. So the Rock Bridge is exactly what it sounds like. It's a bridge made of rock. Very cool though. So it's not really a cave because it goes all the way through, but yeah, there she is. Can you see the back of the cave? Very cool. The water's pretty low right now, so you could actually walk back there if you want to. I don't feel like getting my shoes wet. Definitely wore the wrong shoes for this. All right, so the Ulanzi MT16 tripod. Let's talk about it for just a second. So it is very small, it is very compact, and it's got a couple of really cool features. It's a typical small tripod. It has the 3 legs. What I really like about it is when you close it, it actually has some magnetic elements that keep it closed, which is super nice. What's particularly cool about this one though, is it has a ball head on there which you can tighten, which I think is just like so crucial. The ball head makes sure you can set your angle and the camera is not going to go side to side or, you know, get loose and come down, whatever. You can tighten it up and it's going to stay right where it's supposed to be. What's particularly cool about the MT16 is it not only is a tripod, it also doubles as an extension pole, selfie stick, whatever you want to call that. So you can put it on its tripod legs and actually extend the tripod up about a foot. It's not a ton, but it is a really nice addition to this tripod. As far as the construction goes, it is mostly plastic with a little bit of metal here and there, which is actually my biggest gripe. Like, this could be the perfect small tripod if you didn't consider the build quality. That being said, the price was about $25, so you can only expect the build quality to be so good. What I'd love to see in the future would be Ulanzi making a carbon fiber or an aluminum version of this tripod, because I think that would be awesome. One of the other downsides that I found just using it for the past day or two, because of the build quality, this tripod cannot hold a lot of weight. I got this initially to use for my Z50. However, once I put the Z50 on there with the microphone, the Rode Video Micro that I typically use, you could definitely tell that it was too much weight for the tripod to hold comfortably. If the table got bumped, it would wobble, like the ball head didn't feel as secure. And probably the cheapest piece of this whole tripod is, I don't know what you really call this, but it's the piece on top of the rotating ball mechanism that the 1/4 inch actually screws into. That feels very plasticky and did not feel like it was handling the weight of my small Z50 very well. That being said, the Z50, while it's a small camera, it's definitely not the smallest camera. If you had something like a Sony ZV-1 or maybe even the Canon G7X series, it would likely be okay for those cameras. As for my Z50, it didn't really cut it. What is this tripod for? I tell you what it's awesome for. It's exactly what I'm using it for right now, and that is my GoPro. I've got the Hero 8 still, but this tripod is perfect for this form factor. It's very small, it's very lightweight, so the weight of the camera is not an issue when dealing with the, you know, subpar build quality of the tripod. It is awesome for that. And the fact that it's a selfie stick, well, the GoPro's super wide angle lenses make this thing like really shine, because the super wide angle lens and a bit of an extension from the MT16, you can really see the whole environment around me. And there's some kind of bird. Oh, it's a squirrel. It's a squirrel. I'm too amazed with squirrels. But yeah, so the MT16, perfect for a GoPro, and it would also be a really good tripod for a cell phone, something like an iPhone or a Samsung. One other feature I forgot to talk about is the rotating cold shoe that's built right into the ball head. This is actually a really slick feature that I think more tripods should probably just include. That allows you to put either your microphone or maybe a small video light right on the tripod to just up your production quality a little bit more. So my overall thoughts on the Ulanzi, I think it's going to be something I keep mostly for my GoPro. I will say this would not be a choice of mine for my cameras, my Nikon Z50, or definitely not my Z6 II. It's just not, you know, it's not heavy duty enough to hold the weight of those cameras, especially when you start putting a lens on there, especially when you start putting a microphone on top of it to film yourself. But it is so small and so light that I'm not going to mind having it in my bag at all times for my GoPro. The GoPro, you know, it's, for the most part, this is fine to vlog with. And this tool is just going to make it that much better. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching today. What do you think of the Ulanzi? Is that something that you'd be interested in? Any comments, questions, thoughts? Leave them in the section below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, as it helps this channel grow, and that makes me want to make more videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.